Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gum protector is probably one of the most important choices you'll make for your oral health, especially if you're dealing with gum disease. This video will dive deep into the world of toothpaste specifically formulated to combat gum disease, exploring key ingredients, efficacy, and what to look for when selecting a toothpaste that can help protect and heal your gums, leaving you with a confident smile and healthy mouth. Number 5. Parodontax Clean Mint Toothpaste. Are you experiencing bleeding gums? It could be gingivitis. Parodontax can help. It's specially formulated to break apart plaque and kill bacteria, leaving your mouth feeling cleaner. This anti-cavity toothpaste is 3 times more effective at removing plaque than other leading brands. See the difference with regular brushing. With consistent use, it helps reverse the effects of gingivitis and improve your gum health. It strengthens your teeth while providing a refreshing clean mint flavor for fresh breath all day long. Parodontax helps keep the seal between your gums and teeth tight, leading to a healthier smile. What we like? If you have bleeding gums and need cavity prevention, this is a great option. It's clinically proven to be effective against plaque, which is a major cause of gum disease. If you're looking for a toothpaste that tackles both gum health and cavity prevention, this is the one for you. What people say. It helps reduce bleeding gums and inflammation, promoting overall gum health. It cleans very well, the paste doesn't make me gag, it makes my gums feel good, and my mouth feels really fresh. This toothpaste had a better effect on my teeth than Corsidol. I use this with the Listerine Total mouthwash and after just a few days my gum looks healthier. Number 4. Parodontax Complete Protection Toothpaste. It's the toothpaste that provides complete protection for your gums and teeth. Experience the difference with its unique formula. It's clinically proven to reduce bleeding gums and fight gingivitis. Say goodbye to gum problems and hello to a healthy smile. This toothpaste deep cleans, whitens your teeth, and strengthens enamel, leaving you with a brighter, healthier smile. It's 3 times more effective than other leading toothpastes at removing plaque, leading to healthier gums and brighter teeth. Parodontax offers superior cavity protection, keeping the seal between your gums and teeth tight and strengthening your teeth. It's the complete solution for a healthy mouth. It freshens breath while effectively treating gum inflammation and swelling. Enjoy the confidence of a healthy, radiant smile. What we like? This option is perfect if you're looking for a complete solution for gum health and want brighter teeth. It not only treats bleeding gums but also helps whiten your teeth, leaving you with a confident smile. If you want a toothpaste that does it all, choose this one. What people say. This paste after 3 days helped to heal my bleeding gums. The taste is nice also. My teeth and mouth also felt clean and fresh. The unique formulation seems to fortify the gums while maintaining an effective shield against cavities. It's as if each brushing session transforms into a revitalizing spa day for my mouth. Gum health has improved with the use of this toothpaste. Great fresh mint flavor. Number 3. Parodontax Active Gum Repair. It's the toothpaste that actively helps reverse the early signs of gum disease. Experience a healthier, happier smile with its fresh mint flavor. You get 3 3.4-ounce tubes of this effective toothpaste. That's plenty to keep your gums healthy and your breath fresh. It helps to reverse the early signs of gum disease. It's designed to keep the seal tight between your gum and teeth. This toothpaste offers the benefits of an anti-cavity toothpaste, helping to prevent cavities and promote strong teeth. It's a win-win for your oral health. It contains stannous fluoride, which promotes overall gum health with twice-daily brushing. Make it part of your daily routine for optimal results. This minty fresh toothpaste helps prevent cavities and leaves you with fresher breath. Smile with confidence knowing you're taking care of your gum health. What we like? If you are in the early stages of gum disease and want to reverse the signs, this is your best bet. It's formulated to help repair gum tissue and prevent further damage. If you're looking for a long-term solution for gum health, this is the one to consider. What people say. Recommend for anyone with gum disease. COVID destroyed my mouth and jaw. 2 years of dental work. This toothpaste has made a difference on gums. They are healthy and no plaque on teeth. I have on subscription now, so I don't run out. Parodontax Active Gum Repair Toothpaste is a great option for improving gum health. Effectiveness: helps reverse the signs of early gum disease, leaving gums feeling healthier and fresher. Formula: contains active ingredients that target gum problems and help reduce inflammation and bleeding. Results: noticeable improvement in gum health after a few uses. My hygienist says I have almost no plaque on my teeth when I go for my twice-yearly checkups. Number 2. Parodontax Active Gum Repair. This toothpaste is specially designed to help you fight gum problems and keep your smile bright. It's a whitening toothpaste that also actively helps repair gums. It tackles the main cause of bleeding gums by removing plaque. See the difference it makes to your gum health. This toothpaste not only protects your gums, but it also whitens your teeth, leaving you with a confident smile. It's formulated with stannous fluoride, making it 3 times more effective at removing plaque than other toothpastes. This helps prevent future gum problems. For best results, brush with it for 2 minutes, twice a day. Always follow the instructions on the label. With its unique formula, it helps you achieve both healthy gums and a brighter, more confident smile. Start your journey to better gum health today. What we like. If you're looking for a whitening toothpaste that also addresses gum health issues, this is a great choice. It effectively whitens teeth while fighting plaque and reducing bleeding gums. If you want a product that combines aesthetic and health benefits, this is the one for you. What people say. It has definitely whitened my teeth and stopped the bleeding that would occur after flossing. My gums were always very inflamed and bleeding a lot. Every time I brushed and flossed, it was to the point where the water I spit out when rinsing was bright dark red. Once I started using this toothpaste, I noticed an incredible difference within 4 to 6 weeks. No more bleeding gums. Just a very light bleed when I do my deep flossing. Huge difference. My dental hygienist even told me that she noticed my gums were doing better at my last cleaning. My teeth and gums feel extra clean and don't hurt after brushing. And it is a must to get the Parodontax toothbrushes to use with the toothpaste. The brush is so soft and comfortable on my gums. I had no pain like I had been getting while using a regular, soft bristle freebie from my dentist. It was a difference like night and day. Number 1. Dr. Glow Gum Repair Toothpaste. It effectively targets gingivitis and early periodontal disease. It penetrates deep to reduce swelling, bleeding, and receding gums, promoting long-term gum health. This toothpaste deeply cleans teeth and below the gum line. It removes stubborn tartar and plaque, preventing gum disease and promoting a healthier mouth. It's designed to repair alveolar bone damage and loose teeth. It strengthens bone and promotes regeneration, making teeth stronger and more durable. It eliminates food residue and prevents microbe growth, the cause of bad breath. Enjoy long-lasting fresh breath and renewed confidence. It's gentle and non-irritating, perfect for sensitive gums. This fluoride-free and SLS-free formula provides effective protection without causing irritation. What we like. If you have receding gums, periodontal disease, or loose teeth, this toothpaste is designed for you. It's formulated to address multiple gum health issues, including repairing gum tissue and strengthening teeth. If you need a comprehensive solution for advanced gum problems, consider this option. What people say. I can't believe how fast it worked. I've had a lot of issues with my gums receding and this toothpaste really helped. My teeth feel better and clean and my gums are not bleeding anymore. It actually stopped what was happening with my gum receding and creating a lot of space between my teeth. It was hurting, but not anymore. My teeth do feel very clean. As I age, now 72, our gums start to shrink. The packaging said that this product will help to correct that. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.